Let's discuss Leetcode problem number 169, majority element. But before we discuss, please share, like, subscribe, and hit the bell button for notifications. Also, I have added a lot of quizzes to the community page. Please check it out. Now, in the case of majority element, is the element that appears more than n by 2 times. Basically, it is like the voting kind of thing, 50% plus 1. And you may assume the majority element always exists. So in this case 3 2 3, the majority element is 3, and in the case of 2 2 4 2s and 3 1s, so 2 wins here. So that is the example. Now coming to the solution, I named this pattern as negative marking pattern. It is the algorithm is called Boyer-Moore algorithm, but it is similar to, like, there is a negative marking as you see in the code. So when we run through the set of numbers, if count equals to 0, you initiate count and candidate both as 0. You keep testing each and every candidate and to see who actually wins. If count equals to 0, then you assign that candidate to that number. So in this case, you assign candidate to be 3. New candidate is set to 3. And then if count, if num equals to candidate, you increment by 1. The first one, you get it for free because initializing the count is always 0. So you get the count to 1. And then the moment the candidate changes, you actually decrement by 1 for that count. And when it actually reaches 0, you pick a new candidate with 3 1 3 0, and then 3 once again you pick up 3 because this 3's count 1 has been reduced to 0 by this 2, and then 3 once again is picked up. So new candidate is once again set to 3, and then if there will be a candidate, as we have seen in the problem, that there is a majority element, and so you return the candidate. That's it. I think it's this negative marking. If like when the 2 comes here, the count is reduced by 1 because the candidate was 3 and the current number is 2, and so this one fails. So that's what does the trick. If there is a number which occurs more than 50%, it will be this candidate. And if you see the another run of this 4 2s and this one, so initially count is 0, candidate is set to 2, and then so processing number, this is the first 2, and then the count becomes 2 because of these 2s, and these ones actually set the count back to 0, and this third one actually sets the new candidate to 1, and this one reduces the candidate to 0, and then this 2 picks up the new candidate and the count is 1, and then that is the candidate which is remaining, so you return 2. And that's it. Let me know if you have any comment below if you have any questions. Otherwise, I will see you in the next video.